Hello everyone, welcome back to the next video. In this video I will show you how to apply different filters to your images using CI filters in native iOS application. So let's get started. So firstly I'll the basic setup which I have done. I will show you that there are tons of different filters which I will show you in this video. So yeah, be patient. So firstly I have created a UI kit application in native iOS, and inside assets I have just added this particular image. You can take whatever image you want. The image name is lake, and if you see my view controller, all I am doing is that I have imported this core image.CIFilterBuiltins. I have created an UI image view and I am loading my lake image. Once I get the original UI image, I am converting it to a CI image using the CI image constructor. Now there are tons of methods which I have defined. So each and every method I will show you the implementation later on. First I'll show you the output for each and every one, and each method takes a CI image. Okay, once it takes a CI image, it creates a filter for you. Then all I am doing is that I'm getting an output image from our filter. Then I'm doing getting the CI context. I'm creating a CG image, passing our output image from our filter, and I'm just doing output CI image.extend. So it creates a CG image for us, and the CG image can be converted to a UI image again. So we are just applying that UI image back to our image view. And here I have just assigned some scale aspect fit for our content mode, added our image view to our view, and here I am just doing translate auto resizing mask constraints to false, and here we are just doing some layout constraints for our image view. Okay, so I'll now just show you the output for each and every one. So this is for the Sapphire tone. Okay, now this part is a little boring because I'll have to rerun my app. If you want to fast forward it, you can do that. This is for false color. I will show you the implementation for each and every one later on. This is for bokeh blur. Then the bump distortion. Okay, then circular screen. Then the circular wrap. Then CMK halftone, CMYK halftone, sorry. Then color invert. Then color monochrome. Okay, then color polynomial. Okay, I think this is not part. Okay, sorry. Color posterize. Okay, then comic effect. Then crystallize. Then depth of field. Then disk blur. Then Gaussian blur. Okay, then hatched screen. Okay, then hide field from mask. Alright, then hexagonal pixelate. Maybe I'll do something like this so it would be better. Okay, then I'll do whole distortion. Okay, then kaleidoscope. Okay, then linear to sRGB tone curve. Then linear line overlay. Then line screen. Then maximum component. Then minimum component. Okay, then morphology gradient. Then motion blur. Then 9-part stretched. Then 9-part tiled. Then perspective transform. Then perspective transform with extent. Then photo effect chrome. Then photo effect fade. Sorry for the background noise. And photo effect instant. Then photo effect mono. And photo effect noir. Then photo effect process. Then photo effect tonal. Then photo effect transfer. Then pinch distortion. Then pixelate. Then pointillize. Then I think I have already shown you sapphire tone, right? I am not sure why I have written it twice. Then spotlight. I think even sRGB to linear has been shown twice, so I'll remove this. Then stretch crop. Then thermal. Okay. Then twirl distortion. then vignette effect, then X-ray, then zoom blur. So zoom blur is the last. Okay, so now I will show you all the code for it. So I'll just simply scroll through this. You can pause the video wherever you feel like and copy the required code. So yeah. Okay, so that's it. Thank you for watching. Bye.